Hey, how's it going, guys? Mark here with another video, and today I want to bring you a portfolio update as well as a market analysis. I want to talk about Tesla, I want to talk about Nvidia, and I want to talk about the overall market. Well, let's start off with saying the portfolio is up today. We're green, $410, and into the aftermarket hours as well. Today was kind of a stable day for the overall market, the S&P 500. Let's take a look into that. Here we go. The S&P 500 was a pretty stable day. We peaked out at, 338, and right now we're at 336. The market is really pricing in right now. It's as if we got stimulus package news, but we haven't gotten it yet. But the market doesn't care. The market just assumes that we're going to be getting it on October 9th, and that is 8 days away. So the market's really it's being super emotional right now, and kind of looking at all of the press updates from the Federal Reserve underneath a microscope, and every single thing that they assume is bullish makes the market go up, and everything that's bearish, aka leading to us not receiving stimulus packages soon, it indicates down to be bearish. But it's really interesting how crazy emotional the market is right now because of how many small and middle-sized businesses are struggling and shutting down left and right now due to the stimulus packages not coming out. But the market doesn't care. The small and medium-sized businesses really need stimulus packages right now, but it's a political game right now, but the market doesn't care because the market's bigger stocks, and we think that we don't need stimulus, but at the same time, we're going to get stimulus. It's pretty interesting how emotional we are right now. Over the past week, I believe on Tuesday it was. What day was this? When we had this crazy run-up. The 25th, so what is that? Yeah, Tuesday we had a crazy run-up. And ever since then, we've recovered pretty decently. But let's look at the 3-month chart. I mean, I'm seeing a gap that needs to be filled here, which I'm a little worried about. But we'll see what happens towards the end of this week. And who knows, maybe when we hear on October 9th, if we hear news about stimulus, we might have a searing hot bull run and a massive rally. I could really see that happening. If it happens, fantastic. I've got 2 of my SPY calls still. I have 2 positions on my October 23rd, which is a super risky bet considering October is a volatile month. But I'm pretty content. I believe that we'll probably break even on it towards the end of October. If we don't, well, then we don't. That's options trading for you. But let's look at November. My November call, I'm much more confident about. I need to break even at 368. I'll probably sell at 355 if we start getting close to the expiration date on this contract. But overall, I'm pretty confident I'm going to start making profit on both of these contracts. I'm a little less confident about my October contract, my October 23rd, but my November contract I'm much more confident about. But yeah, guys, the overall market is just being super emotional and viewing everything the Federal Reserve says underneath a massive microscope, and it's swinging up and down. The markets have never really been this way, and it's pretty crazy how volatile it's really become. But I really think that if we get some stimulus here soon, we're going to be bouncing back into a super searing hot bull run again. So if that's what you want to hear, well, I think that that's a good chance that that's going to happen. But let's take a look at Nvidia. Nvidia, I've been dollar cost averaging into. I love Nvidia. I bought back in a long time ago. It's my average buy in 317. We're sitting at 543 right now. I would love to buy some more of these shares of this company. Right now, I mean, the 5-year looks pretty aggressive, but the 3-month, we haven't peaking out at 560 or 589, really? 589? I guess we peaked out at 589. That's pretty beautiful. Yeah, I'm still dollar cost averaging in about $25 per week. I would like to buy a bigger chunk of this if we have a small pullback. But let's talk about what we really want to talk about, guys. I know you guys are here. You want to hear about Tesla because Tesla is my biggest hold right now. I have 35 shares, continuing my dollar cost averaging in. I'm also allocating about $25 per week of buying power, waiting for a significant dip into Tesla because I kind of want to buy a bigger chunk because of what's been going on with this potential SpaceX IPO. If you don't know what that is, it's basically Elon Musk came out and mentioned how there is a chance that he's going to be giving retail investors an opportunity to invest into SpaceX into the to help out with the Starlink, which the Starlink company is basically investing into or SpaceX is creating Starlink, which is basically a satellite that will create commercial internet access to people, which would be fantastic to get into that company. And I personally believe that the way that he will allocate who gets to purchase shares of this IPO of SpaceX will be based on how many shares and how long you've been holding on to Tesla stock. I really believe that's going to happen. That's speculation, but I am really leaning towards that. That's what makes the most sense. So I've been getting ready here to potentially purchase a lot more shares of Tesla. I would like to purchase a big chunk of it and hold it because, I love Tesla and I want more shares of Tesla, and you bet I want as many shares of SpaceX earlier on as I possibly can, because I know that company will explode just like Tesla, because it's an innovative company and it's ran by Elon Musk, and he's an innovative, almost Renaissance man, and I love it. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to tell you what's been going on with my portfolio today. Wanted to give you my 2 cents. This isn't financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only, and I just like to give my opinion. And if you guys enjoyed my video, please give me a like. I've been trying to make better content for you guys, and I want to increase my content output for you guys. So give me a big like. Give me a subscribe. It helps me out a lot. See you later. Bye.